ice cream, meat, and seafood chest freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left and right, we have a length of 58 inches, a depth 30 inches, and a height of 33.5 inches tall. Left and right top slide glass doors, and included are 5 baskets. Each basket will measure 'and the measurements for each basket will include 10 inches in length, 22.5 inches in depth by 6.5 inches in height. Measurements apply for each baskets. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer will include 40.5 inches in length. Please note that 40.5 inches length applies from the left and right before the step. And the measurements and the length with the step is 52.5 inches. A depth, we have 24 inches. And a height of 22 inches. 22 inches is from the floor towards the top. And the height from the floor to the max fill level, we have 18 inches. Measurements for the step will include 11.75 inches in length by 10 inches in height. And above the indicator will be a LED strip that runs along the edge. Located on the furthest top corner will be a plug and your drain. Also included will be a scraping tool along with a key for the left and right slide doors. Coming to the bottom will be the power switch, an indicator, along with the operational turn switch. Last but not least, this uses a 110-120 voltage plug. Located on the back will be the NSF ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.